Welcome, I'm finally the OnePlus 8T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here. You can get it from the box where the device came from, or you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. Right over here, and when you take it out, you will have space for two different SIM cards on either side, as you can see. So I'm gonna place only one. There we go. As you can see, the SIM should be holding in there, and from there, once you insert it, simply put the tray back in, and let's wait. There we go. There's the pin for the SIM card. Confirm it. And there we go. So that is how you would insert a SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.